This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the Word through Tanvir Kazmi. Again, I'm here to discuss an important topic, Eid al-Adha, a celebration during the Hajj. Each house of Muslims who submit to God, sacrificing animals in the entire world. It's a very insensitive topic, but I thought to give my opinion. Please do not take it personal. It is just my opinion, and if you disagree on something, or if you have any better information from Quran, please let me know. During 3 days of Eid al-Adha, billions of people face some challenging situation. Millions of cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats being slaughtered in the entire world. Many countries having extreme difficulties to discipline, manage millions of tons of waste, bad smell spread everywhere, trash everywhere for months, creating diseases, viruses, organs in almost every street, everywhere a very painful situation. People forcibly donate millions of pounds of meat to needy, hungry people, relatives, neighbors. I have witnessed many of them complaining we do not have enough space in our refrigerators. Poor people says people giving us, people giving us too much in 3 days and we just throw it away. We do not have place to storage in such a hot weather. Sad part is it has become a situation, it has become a status symbol to see who is spending more, whose animal is more expensive. Show off, talking in pride, which has become a sin instead of good deed. According to guidelines from Quran, it is asked from people. According to guidelines of Quran, it is asked for people from all over the world coming to Mosque Al-Haram, a sacred mosque, for performing Hajj, asking them to feed them free, slaughter animals, and feed them high protein food, best protein of meat, so they can say thanks to Almighty God and provide them best residence as they are guests of God in His house. So let's see what Holy Book Quran says about this. Surah Al-Baqarah, number 2, verse 196. And complete the Hajj and Umrah for God. But if you are prevented, then what can be obtained with ease of sacrificial animals, and do not shave your heads until the sacrificial animals has reached its place of slaughter. And whoever among you is ill or has an ailment of the head, a ransom of fasting or charity or sacrifice. And when you are scared, then whoever performs Umrah followed by Hajj, what can be obtained with ease of sacrificial animals, and whoever cannot find, then a fast of 3 days during Hajj, and of 7 when you have returned. Those are 10 complete. This is for those whose family is not in the area of Al-Mosque Al-Haram and fear God and know that God is severe in penalty. Some verses about Abraham. Quran As-Safa, number 37, verse from 1 and 2. And when he reached with him the age of work, Abraham said, O my father, do as you are commanded. You will find me, if God wills, of the steadfast. And when they had both submitted, and he put him down upon his forehead, we called to him. O Abraham, you have fulfilled the vision. Indeed, we thus reward the doers of good. Indeed, this was the clear trial, and we ransomed him with a great sacrifice. And we left for him among later generations peace upon Abraham. Indeed, we thus reward the doers of good. Indeed, he was of our believing people. In Quran, Surah Al-Hajj number 22, verses 36 and 37. And the camels and cattle we have appointed for you as among the symbols of God. For you therein is good. So mention the name of God upon them when lined up and when they are on their sides. Then eat from them and feed the needy and the beggar. Thus have we subjected them to you that you may be grateful. Another verse in Quran says, Surah Al-Kawthar 1 and 2 verse. Indeed, we have granted you abundant goodness. So pray to your Lord and offer sacrifice. So it shows that it should be everyday task to help every needy and hungry person. Every person in your relatives, neighbors, has God-given right that they should be fed meat, fruits, vegetables, bread, everything they have from God. Keep in your mind on daily basis. Keep in your mind on daily basis, not just once a year. So I found it difficult to find in Quran to forcing people on making it obligatory to do sacrifice animals for every house in entire world. Here it is asked for people who visit sacred mosques to perform Hajj. They should be given free, high quality food and best residence so that everything are we doing, we should think it. So it is okay if you want to do it, but it has become a problem in the entire world. I would recommend not just once in a year, but do it every day. Feed hungry. Feed your poor relatives, needy neighbors. So they will also be thankful to God, and in return, God will enrich you in this life and has prepared unlimited pleasure and palaces in heaven. May God guide us to the straight path to bring peace and prosperity in the entire world as one nation under one God. God bless you all. Take care. Bye.